Sawa, kuwa tuna amani, kuwa tuna amani. Mimi sina shida. Kwa tuna amani. Unasikia? Hello everybody. Hello the people of the internet. It is another beautiful day. It's very shiny. It is shining, and it is around 10, going to 11, and I am recording in the parts of Africa, the nation called Kenya, in the Nyanza, in the village called Chemelil. So in this place, my people depend so much on sugarcane. And now I am in the field. In the field, we came to do some work here. There are some bridges, small culverts that have been destroyed by water. So we are coming to fill in these gaps so that the tractor can pass very well. As you can see, this place has been destroyed and damaged by water, and the tractors, they are having very difficulty to navigate themselves to, go. So we have started in the other side. Hopefully we are coming until to this place, and we are continuing working, and you can see how this sugarcane this one is ready. This one is ready for harvest. Very, very ready. Even this one is ready. So this is the life of life in sugarcane plantation. Very quiet. Only the sound of wind, the sound of the leaves of sugarcane. So that is what is happening here. So I have my fellow workers who I have left them behind, and I am walking, going nearby a field that is being harvested. As you can see, I am going there. As you can see the tractors, how they have navigated themselves in this corner. It is very, very sharp corner. Not that sharp, but you need a lot of skills for you to go this place, to pass here with the tractor full loaded with the sugarcane. So the capacity that sugarcane can carry, depending on the size of the trailer, we have box trailers, we have double trailers, and we have box trailers. Others they are big, others they are small. But all of this, to get a good capacity of sugarcane on a trailer, maximum that you can load on a trailer is around 10 to 12 on a box trailer. If you surpasses it, you can even load it up to 13 to 15, even sometimes 18. But that one is not advisable, because it can that one can cause the tire to burst. That is one, because it is overloaded, and then it can even damage the tractor. And another thing, it can cause the accident, the tractor can fall, tip off, because because of uh, because of heavy sugar cane that you have loaded. So it becomes very, very, very difficult. That you can load on a trailer is just 10. That one is good, very good for to the roads. The roads are very bad, not that good. So that one is good. And then it helps the driver can travel with ease. And it's one way of protecting the machine, because if you put heavy load like 20 and the trailer is small, it can cause the trailer to get damaged, or the machine to get damaged. So and loading sugarcane on a trailer depends even with the driver, with the operator, not the driver. You can load 2 tons, 5 tons, 10 tons, 20 tons, depending on the driver, and depending with the operator and even the driver, because we have because the drivers are being paid on tonnage. So the more tonnage they carry, the higher the amount, the higher the salary, and that is how they get paid. So depends with the driver and the operator that is operating. That is how they are going to get their salary, and how it is going, depending on how it's going to be loaded. And another thing you consider when you are loading is the field. You can come in the field, and the field is very, not good. It is rainy, it is very muddy, it is in a very dangerous position, the roads are bad. So there are many things that you consider for a person to load sugarcane. You have to consider all of those things. If the road is very, very good, no place that are dangerous, you can just load very well, very, sugarcane that is just enough, and then the tractor will just go very well and in peace. So guys, as I told you, I am going to the nearby field that is being harvested. Is being harvested right now as I'm speaking, and I'm very almost there. As we want to go and check on my fellow operators how they are operating. For today, for me, I did not go because I was appointed. We were appointed at a job to make sure that the roads are good. So we are coming to fill in the gaps where the roads are bad. We fill in stones so that it can be good, so that the tractor can pass. So you can see it's a long, passed through a lot of many blocks, and I'm still going. So guys, I need your help. Just make sure you subscribe, you share and you comment, and you put on that notification for our next video. Help me to promote me to in this channel, because I want to grow this channel so that I can bring to you the life of Africa, how it is, and how we live on a daily basis, things that we do. So for you to help me to grow, it's for you just this finger. You have many fingers, so you just choose whatever finger that you want to use. Just click subscription, put on notification bell, share, like, comment. That one, you have done enough for me, and I will be very grateful to you people. So I am almost there. I am just walking. It's a little bit far, but I'm almost there. Guys, I have arrived, and now I am in the field now. I am there. So we have tractors that are waiting. They are in the queue, waiting, and we have belts that are unloading, and we have a lot of tractors here that are stuck, waiting for winch to come and remove them. So this is the scenario, people. This is the scenario. Of what is taking place here. Anasema si winchi nakuja. Kwanza ndio ako huku. Oh. Si tuko hapa bwana. Sote ni takataka. So this is the scenario that is happening here, people. Sema angalia Rural Lens Media. Ingilia sasa hivi angalia. Angalia. Hata mimi sijaona wewe hata kwa TV. Si ndio angalie? Si nimekuambia. Enda Google Rural Lens Media channel. Alafu basi. Si nimekuambia? Ama nadhani ni jokes. Uko na data ni kufungulia simu ya smartphone uangalie. Lens Media. Enda angalia. Na wapi Kameko? Angalia, angalia. Wewe hapana. Imejaa? Eh? Unapiga mpaka